Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are having a most blessed day. It's time for your daily Bible verse. And today we're going to read Proverbs chapter 2, verses 3 through 5. And if you call out for insight and cry aloud for understanding, and if you look for it as for silver and search for it as for hidden treasure, then you will understand the fear of the Lord and find the knowledge of God. So, and we talked about this subject one night when I went live, the fear of the Lord. You know, there's so many areas in the Bible where it's mentioned, and that I'd probably forget to write many of the verses down. I'm sure, I'll try to write them all down, but here in the book of Proverbs alone, it's mentioned so many times. And that's because, Solomon wrote it, and actually he wrote Proverbs and Ecclesiastes because he prayed for wisdom from the Lord naturally. So, sure enough, it produced two great books of the Bible. But what he's saying here, if you call out for insight and cry aloud for understanding, you gotta want to have wisdom from God. You gotta want Him to lead you in the right direction. A big problem is people are not willing to allow Him to work in them, and they wonder why. They're falling into these traps. Why they have no discernment. Why they don't understand the trouble they get themselves into half the time. Well, you need discernment. And if you look for it as for silver and search for it as hidden treasure, it's comparing things like gold and silver. If you look for it as silver and search for it as hidden treasure, if you have ambition for it, you'll find it. Then you will understand the fear of the Lord, The fear of the Lord, walking in reverence of Him, not that trembling in fear, like worried He's going to smite you. No, walking in reverence of Him, like I've said before, seems to have disappeared in modern day Christianity with a lot of what you see going on. And I don't need to get into further details, but yeah, guys, this is why you need wisdom, understanding, discernment, plain and simple as that. If you seek it, you ask for it, God will give it to you. You have a blessed day.